Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for custom analytics. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight to the video. Now, the first step is going to be to access the API documentation. So go ahead and access the API documentation by clicking on the API button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Second step is to learn about the API endpoints and parameters. So you want to learn about API's endpoints and parameters for custom analytics. Step 3 is going to be to use the API to create custom analytics. So you can go ahead and use the API to create custom analytics, including calculating and visualizing market data. The fourth and final step will be to use the custom analytics for market insights and trading decisions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for custom analytics. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.